Hey guys, and in this video I will show you how to get some awesome really cool free samples. Okay, but first of all, let me wish you all a very happy new year. May God bless you and your family with good health and happiness. May you have a wonderful new year. Okay, all right, let's get started. First of all, the link is in the description like always. No bullshit, no external link, just click and it will lead you to this website, looperman.com. Okay, so yep, you're gonna find a lots of samples, and it's royalty free. Okay, but guys, royalty free doesn't mean that you can go ahead and do whatever you want with that samples. Just make sure to read their terms and conditions, as each and every beat is made by an individual. Okay, so maybe you can't just go ahead and produce it for commercial purposes. You're gonna have to take their license or everything, and you're gonna put credits and whatnot. Just go ahead and read the terms and conditions before using it. Okay, and yeah, now you can download straight away. Okay, when you click download, it won't download. You're gonna have to create a profile. Now creating a profile is really simple. Just go ahead and fill up with the required information and verify your account, and it will be done in just less than 2 minutes, I guess. It's really worth it, guys. I'm gonna let you hear the samples. Some of these samples are really epic, so let's play this. Okay, let you hear this. And you know what, it was released only today by this user, one trick 123. Shout out to him, it's really cool. So yeah, just like that, you're gonna get a bit of lot of samples by a lot of users, and go ahead and get it if you really like it, because this is really cool. Let's play this. Now let's play this. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah guys, overall it's good side to have quick samples to get inspired, and you can play around with the samples and make your own hot beats. Just make sure to read the terms and condition, okay, before you get some I don't know, corporate strikes and whatnot. That's it, I'm off for today, and just please subscribe and like this video. It would means a lot, guys. Come on guys, I just had 300 subscribers, I need more. This is enough, and it takes some time to make this video, so I'm taking out time for you guys, and please just hit one like and one subscribe, wouldn't hurt. Come on guys.